These are the tough ones. These are the ones that were put forth from the Constitution Revision Commission, the CRC. Amendments 6 through 11 each contain multiple parts. One being bundled, meaning you're being asked to vote yes or no on multiple issues. Although the CRC maybe felt that they were similar, you as a voter, it's maybe a little bit difficult. So we're going to really try and focus on the most important thing about, I'll list in bullet points everything that's included, what you'll be voting yes or no on, to make it very clear, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. Amendment 6, rights of crime victims and judges. It's 2 issues within one amendment. Amendment 6 expands victims' rights, many of which are in the state law, while limiting time for an accused to file appeals. Nothing in the title of the amendment addresses the issue of what the amendment does to defendants' rights. This also came from what's called Marcy's Law. A young woman was murdered by her ex-boyfriend who was released on bail, and her family was never notified. It also would eliminate an existing constitutional provision that victims' rights do not interfere with the constitutional right of the accused. It also raises the retirement age of judges from 70 to 75. And it prohibits courts and judges from deferring to state agencies' interpretations. What is the most important aspect of this amendment? It's up for you to decide. Remember, the retirement age decision does not impact those currently serving on the bench that are at retirement age. And the Constitution already covers victims' rights, but there is some concern about the rights of the defendants, especially the right to file for an appeal. So Amendment 6, by voting yes, you would enshrine more victims' rights in the Constitution while eliminating an existing provision for the rights of the accused, raise the mandatory retirement age for a judge, and force judges to decide if the state agency correctly interpreted the law. A little background on that is state agencies can offer opinions or papers and research. I think many would say this is allowing them a little more freedom. They don't have to take that at face value or a whole sorts of things. But a vote no would retain existing victims' rights in the Constitution and not set up a deadline for appeals. Keep the judge's retirement age at 70 and continue to allow state agencies' interpretation of state laws. Supporting and opposing organizations.
That's interesting.